In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile URL or username. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. After that, go to Account Center. Now, tap on Username. Here, enter your new username. This will become your new profile URL, like facebook.com/yourname. If the username is available, you'll see a confirmation. Then, tap on Save or Done. Your Facebook profile URL will now be updated. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your Facebook profile URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.